friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I got my June Boxycharm right here. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and try on of the products inside the box. I've already peeked inside, I always do because I like to know what I need to not put on my face so I can try it on with you guys. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 a month and you get 4 to 6 full-size items. I will have my referral link down below. If you feel like signing up and you want to use my link, it'll be down there. Here is the little card for this month. Caribbean Queen, that is the theme. And it has all the details and prices for all the products in the box. This month we got 6 items, but really it's 8 items because 3 brushes counted as 1 item. So that's really, really cool. The first thing and probably the most exciting thing is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina Del Caribe. I know I butchered the saying of that. Palette. This is a brand new brand and it looks like this. It's so pretty and tropical and beautiful and fun and I'm so excited. Honestly, this bronzy gold shade is everything. I just can't wait to use it. This retails for only $28, so even if you were thinking about just getting this and you don't have the box, it's not a bad price, so we'll see how good it works. Next from Battington, we have the Monroe Silk Lashes. These retail for $28. They just look very soft and simple. They're not very dramatic. $28 is insanely expensive for a pair of lashes. I've never spent that much on lashes and I don't think I ever will. Next we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This retails for only $10 and it's just a lotion and I'm excited to use it. Next up we have a 3-piece set from Luxie. We have the 522, the tapered highlight brush, the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, and the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. 2 more things. We have so much this month. I'm so excited. The Jonteblu Waterproof Eye Pencil, and I got the shade Charcoal. It just looks like a really dark gray. It's just a normal pencil. This retails for $5. And last we have an Ofra Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. This retails for $21. So that's everything. I'm honestly really excited to try everything out, so we'll see how it goes. Let's just jump right in with the lotion, get that out of the way, see how that feels. Wow, that smells good. It smells like cake and beach at the same time. I can't get enough of that smell. Oh my gosh. Next time you're in Sephora or anywhere that sells the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, please smell it. Well, that's nice. It doesn't feel really sticky on my hands either. It kind of absorbed right in, which I like. I don't like that lotion-y feel on my hands at all. So cool, off to a good start. I guess let's just move on to the brushes. I'm just gonna start with the Duo Fiber brush and do my bronzer with that, and then my blush with the Precision Foundation, and then the tapered highlight for my highlight. I'll have the details to the products that I'm using listed down below because they don't really matter for this video. I feel like this brush is applying the bronzer pretty well actually. Into some blush. Not my favorite brush for blush, but it's not bad. And I feel like for those of you that use powder foundation instead of liquid, that would probably be a good one to spread it on your skin. Last, let's do some highlights. That applied the highlight pretty well. I do prefer a smaller brush for highlight, but this wasn't bad. We're still off to a good start. I guess now we're just gonna zoom on in and work on our eyes because a lot of these are eye products. All right, my eyes are primed with some concealer and I'm gonna dip right into Cocoa Taxi first. And I'm just gonna start working this in my crease. I'm being kind of sloppy with this. It doesn't really matter if it gets on the lid because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut the lid out, but we'll see. Next, I'm going to take the shade Tropico right here, that bright orange, and focusing this more in this outer portion. I'm just kind of tucking that shade in, and then when I have less product on the brush, I'll start bringing it towards the inner portion of the crease. I want to kind of angle my brush upwards now as I'm blending, just to blend it up and not down, because again, we are going to be cutting out the crease, so I want to make sure that blend is there. These blend really easy. Like, I don't know if you realize how quick that was. I'm picking up just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna sweep that underneath the lower lash line. Nothing too precise. I don't mind being a little sloppy with the lower lash line because I like that grungy look. I'm just taking that first brush again just to keep blending. I'm gonna butcher this name, but I'm gonna take Guantanamera, that deep plum shade, and I'm gonna tuck that in the outer corner and crease as well. Kind of doing the same thing as I did with that orange shade, but just keeping it really deep out here. I'm taking a pencil brush now to tuck that in the outer corner of the lower lash line as well. And taking that first brush again, no product, I'm just blowing everything out. I'm just gonna quickly now cut my crease halfway with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and then we will put something on the lid. Now taking El Malecón, if that's how you say it, with that same brush that I used to cut my crease, I'm gonna pack that all over where that concealer is. That's pretty. I was trying really hard to avoid the blues because I use blue eyeshadow a lot, and I know that that's what a lot of people are gonna use when they are doing tutorials with this palette, so I figured I would do some of the colors that aren't gonna be used. I feel like I haven't really seen anyone play with this gold color yet. It's so pretty. It's so highly reflective and it feels really soft. Next, I'm just gonna take that purpley shade again, just a tiny bit of it, and just start kind of blending it with the lid shade. Last thing, I'm gonna take La Costa and highlight my inner corners with that. Now ordinarily I wouldn't do any eyeliner with this look, but I have to use the eyeliner that's in this. What I'm gonna do is just tightline my upper lash line instead of putting it in my waterline because I don't think this charcoal color is gonna go with this look. So we're just tightlining to help blend the lash band. Although this doesn't have much pigment to it. Kind of not working too well. Okay, whatever. This isn't working well, but it was a $5 product. It's the cheapest thing in the box. So if that's the only thing that doesn't work well, I'm fine with that. I guess next we have some lashes. They don't come with any glue, so I'm gonna use my normal House of Lashes lash glue. And I'm gonna put on mascara and put these on my eyes. I figured I would quickly show you because I put on one lash just now. And it really doesn't look that much different than my natural lashes. Creates a little bit more depth out here in this outer corner where I have more shadows. They were easy to put on and they're comfortable. They don't feel uncomfortable. I didn't have to trim them or anything. But I just wanted to kind of show you what they look like versus without them. Doesn't really make a whole lot of difference, and I feel like $28 lashes, you want a little bit more than that, you know? Well, at least I do. Maybe other people do, but I feel like if I want my lashes to look natural and simple, I'm just not gonna wear lashes, you know? Last, all we have is the Ofra liquid lip, and we're gonna put it on. Isn't that really pretty? Really like this color. I feel like my look took a very fall direction for it being such a fun, bright, summery palette. But I guess it's cool to see that you don't have to do a bright summery look with it to have a cool cohesive look. I really like this look. I really liked this box. This lip feels really comfortable. I've actually never owned a full-size Ofra liquid lip. I think I've gotten a sample size one in an Ipsy bag a really long time ago, but I don't even know if I wore it. But it feels really comfortable and I really like the color. This palette is awesome. I will definitely be playing with this more. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials in the future. These brushes are really nice. I'll definitely be using these again. And I really like this lotion. I'm gonna use this every night. The only things I'm not crazy about are the eyeliner stick. This did not work for me. I'm gonna end up throwing this away because I can't give it to anyone because I've used it on my eyes and I don't want to keep it, so that one's really not gonna work out anymore. And the lashes, I don't hate them. Like, they're fine, they're comfortable, they're on my eyes. I just don't feel like they're worth the $28 that it claims that they're actually worth, you know? They're just really simple, basic looking lashes, but again, they don't look bad. They're just, you know me and my lashes. I like lashes that look like this. So all in all, this was a really good box. Let me know if any of you guys got Boxycharm this month. Let me know what you thought of the products. Let me know what you thought of what I got and how I used them. Let's just chat about it. If you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing / try on, give me a thumbs up so I know to make more. I really enjoy doing these. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeatBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. But it feels really comfortable. Let me know that Zane went to donate blood, and he just said that he almost passed out, so that's nice. What do you guys think of this background? Isn't this beautiful? I got this fabric yesterday at Joann's, and I'm living for it. I feel like I'm in an ethereal Princess Wonderland right now.